Hello everybody, my name is Alex with Sigala Designs. Thanks for tuning back for a brand new video. If you guys saw by the title and the thumbnail, yes, we will be showing you how to install our brand new Z06/Z07 style two-post wing for a regular C8. Now, this has been something that you guys have been begging for us to do because you guys want to see what did we do to support the two posts to the actual, not only the bumper of the car, but to the frame of the car. So just to demonstrate, we're gonna do a few tests. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Before that, the car that we will be installing the Z06/Z07 style wing on has been a first for many, and this is no exception. Behind me is our 2021 C8 Corvette that has been the world's first to have a full carbon fiber interior. Now getting into the main event, and you may be wondering why.
Does he have his hand behind his back? You know, this man.
Here we have our support bracket for the two-post Z06/Z07 wing. This will be shipped with every wing that comes in the two-post and is made 100% of real carbon fiber. Now, there will be some drilling required, and we will be sending a template with every order to make the install that much easier. Now, I think you guys are wondering, well, how strong is this bracket? I think it's time to do some tests. And the first test should be the drop test. Do I look worried? This is still 100% intact, okay? Now for some, the drop test may not be enough, but let's go ahead and add some weight to it. So let's go ahead, toss it on the floor. And now, I'm gonna go ahead, call my brother over. Do me a favor, step on that, right in the middle. Completely, put your weight on it, jump on it, whatever you want. You guys see that?
That does not break.
A few moments later.
What are you doing?
Well, they want to see how strong the support is, right? So why don't we put 3,600 pounds on top of it? You guys think we're joking when we say it's strong. That looks about right. Right in the middle. Check it out. Now, shall we show them how it looks like?
Sure.
Okay. When we say more, we mean more. We are going to be putting a full-size Expedition. I think this is the, what, XL, like extra large, so I don't even know how heavy this is, but this is definitely heavier than a C8. Let's get to it. Are they ready to see it?
Oh yeah.
They're ready. Look at that, guys. I think it's gonna make an indent in the concrete before it breaks the piece. Shall we roll it off now?
Yeah, sure.
Let's roll it off. Guys, look at this. That's concrete. Oh, look at this. That's an indent in the concrete.
Look at all that.
And
How's the piece?
does that look broken to you?
No.
So believe me, guys, this will definitely support your new Z06/Z07 two-post wing, no issue. Let's get it installed on the car.
Meanwhile,
One more thing, guys, to show you more in detail. You see these tabs that the support has? Can you tell exactly where the piece was?
That's insane.
Right there.
It was.
That's where it was. So now that you guys have seen the test, seen the support, seen the wing, let's get it put on the car. We're gonna be setting up the camera, doing a time lapse, getting the bumper off. Let's get to it. Now that we have the bumper removed off the car along with the high wing, we skipped all those steps only because we have shown you guys in previous videos how to do all this up to this point. So on the actual car here, you can see exactly where the 2 holes will need to be drilled. And right now we're gonna go ahead, bring over the template so we can show you guys exactly how you're gonna be using it to align it properly. Okay, so now that we are ready to install the wing, we're gonna be going ahead, place it down, and then the bracket is going to be placed right underneath, and the bolt is gonna be going through both the support, the bumper, and into the post of the wing. So let's go ahead, feed this through. There we have it. So now the bracket is securely in place with the bumper sandwiched in between the wing and the support. Now here with the bumper off of the car, it still has room to play, but once it is on the car, these 2 bolts here are gonna be what securely holds it against the car and will not allow it to move, as you see here. So right here, it has play because nothing is supporting the bracket. So here we have the prototype of what the template will look like. You're gonna be tucking it in this little groove. You see how the corner sits flush? And right there in the middle is where you will be drilling the hole. So once again, hole is right there. Just slide the template into place, and there you have it. Now that we're ready to reinstall both tail lights along with the 3rd brake light, to get this bolt that is over here in the side, you can see the bracket may seem as if it's in the way, but simply get a 7mm ratchet wrench and you will be able to access it no problem. Now that we went ahead, got the bumper on the car, we went ahead and removed this weather lining just on the back half, so we have access to remove these nuts for that hold the net. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4 here, along with 2 push clips that are right in front of the latch. So we can go ahead, pull this carpeting back, and here you guys can see exactly where the bolt will be going through to mount to the bracket. So now that the wing is fully installed, the car is completely put back together. Here, I mean, I'm pulling and this wing is not budging at all. So as you can see, that bracket really helps with the support for the wing. And honestly, you guys can push your new Corvette as much as you want. This wing is not going anywhere. All right, so Adrian, what are we doing here?
We were so confident that we were gonna put it in neutral, take the brake off, and hold the car with the wing.
Yeah, so there we have it. It's in neutral. The brake is pressed. And now we're gonna go ahead and hold it, and he's gonna let go. So, all right, go ahead, let off the brake. Keep going, keep going. Go, go. I'm surfing on it. I feel like I'm gonna fall. All right, just So we proved to you that we're not joking on how much weight was just on that wing. Adrian, even though you don't want to do it, I think the people need, they need that evidence, okay? So
honestly, I weigh more than I thought.
Oh.
So, but
All right.
just to prove a point.
You're not carrying any like cinder blocks or none of that, right?
Oh, man. Just a shirt and shorts.
Let's see. There you guys have it. 250, 254. So, and
it's not CGI. Like,
and yeah, oh, we were definitely on this. So,
nice cleaning day.
nobody else does it like Sigala, where we step on top of a brand new C8 Corvette just to prove our point. So there you guys have it. The wing is still intact, still on the car. And now I think it's time to go get some rollers of this car with the new Z06/Z07 two-post wing. We hope you guys enjoyed those clips of us taking it easy, you know, cruising, just to show you guys what the wing looks like on the car. But now it's time to take it up a notch. We're about to do some high-speed rollers just to show you guys that the wing can be put through various speeds and still hold up perfectly fine. So the speed you guys will be seeing on the screen is of a GoPro connected through GPS to accurately track how fast the car is moving. Without further ado, let's get into it. And that is going to be the end of the video, guys. We hope you enjoyed all the different tests we put the wing through and the bracket through. Our bracket that we have designed for the Z06, Z07 two-post wing has been simplified for ease of install and for how durable it is, made fully of carbon fiber. We've tried many materials as far as metals. We have found that carbon is the strongest, and the design of the bracket has allowed everything to fit as OEM, and honestly, you would never be able to tell it's there. The strength of the bracket has really allowed this wing to be as durable as it is, not only because it is made fully of carbon fiber. The clips you guys saw of those high-speed rollers, we wish we could have pushed the car more, but with how roads are here in San Diego, we really don't have enough space to do that. Regardless of how many companies you want to go to for carbon fiber before coming to us, eventually you're going to realize that we are your best option. The main reason why the wing is so durable isn't only because of the support bracket that is mounted to the car, but the materials we use. Everything we use is made in America, and we use the best resins, the best clear coats, even the best carbon. And all of our carbon fiber products are made completely of carbon fiber, unlike some of our competitors that they've even stated they use only a top layer of carbon. Now, we won't state any names only because that would be wrong of us to do. We recently came back from a trip from Carlisle, Pennsylvania, where we went to one of the world's largest Corvette shows, and seeing some of our competitors' carbon there, ours completely knocked them out of the water with clarity, quality, and we realized theirs was already starting to fade, starting to yellow, looked very hazy. In the 20 plus years that we've been in the industry, we have never once had any of our carbon fiber products yellow. We will have a link directly to purchase this product in the description, along with a link to our website so you can check out all the other products we have available for different makes and models of cars. And that is going to be the end of the video. We hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.